Hey there, folks. How's everyone doing? Christmas is just around the corner, and today I'm here to share a recipe for a vegan Christmas punch that's a real winner. Christmas is all about family, so this time we're making a non-alcoholic drink, alright? So let's get to it. Here's what you're gonna need. In a large saucepan, I'm combining 4 cups of apple juice, 2 cups of cranberry juice or any other red fruit juice, 2 cups of orange juice, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now let's take this mixture to medium heat and bring it to a simmer. Add 4 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks to give it that exotic touch and let the mixture simmer on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the infusion time, it's time to remove it from the heat and take out the cloves and cinnamon sticks. Sweeten the punch with maple syrup or agave, adjusting the amount to your taste. Give it a good stir to make sure the sweetener is well incorporated. Allow the punch to cool for a bit before transferring it to a large pitcher. To finish it off, you can add slices of orange, apple, and lemon to the pitcher for a decorative touch. Now, just serve the non-alcoholic Christmas punch in individual glasses with ice cubes if you like. This punch is the perfect way to add a festive and delicious touch to your Christmas celebrations. Enjoy this refreshing drink that everyone will love. If you enjoyed this video and the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes, and share this video with your friends who appreciate a festive vegan beverage. Thanks, everyone, and happy holidays!